Lesson 3.2, Complex Numbers. How do you define and use the imaginary unit I? Doing these two independent practice problems, you need to separate the -1 from the 5. So with the square root of -1 times the square root of 5. We know that the square root of -1 is the same as I. So I have an I. We cannot take the square root of 5. So square root of 5 remains as the square root of 5. And I have I times the square root of 5. The square root of -192. We need to separate the -1 from the 192. We know that the square root of -1 is I, and we need to prime factorize the square root of 192. Using my prime factor tree, I know it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. If they pair up, they escape. So here's a pair of 2's. Here's a pair of 2's, and here's a pair of 2's. That 3 did not pair, so he stays. So I have 2 times 2 times 2, so I have 8i times the square root of 3.